Today I'll teach you how to fix your Instagram not refreshing problem. And this problem basically means whenever you open Instagram and you try to see new photo, it just does not refresh, alright? As you guys can see, in my case, nothing is being shown except this photo as I refresh it many times. Well, if you're facing this problem, the first thing you want to check is the Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi you're connected to is really slow or is not working properly, it's going to be the main issue. In that case, just change to a stable connection and your problem should be fixed. And after changing your Wi-Fi, if you still have this problem, then just go inside your app store and then you want to search for Instagram. After you search for it, see if there is any update. My says open, that means my Instagram is up to date, so there is no problem with my Instagram. And even after doing this, if it's still not fixed, what you can do is go to your browser and you want to search for is Instagram down. And once you search for is Instagram down, the first option down detector, click on it. And then it's going to show you if it is working or not. So it says user report indicates no current problem at Instagram, which means for other people Instagram is working properly, which probably means Instagram server is not offline. Because sometimes Instagram, to maintain their server goes offline from time to time. In that case, if you try to refresh your Instagram or use it, it's not going to work. So by coming to this website, you can check. And if Instagram servers are down, the only thing you can do is wait. But if it's not down, then the problem is within your app. In that case, just follow the steps which I just told you in the beginning. And if none of those worked, the last step you can do is just delete your Instagram app and reinstall it again. That should probably fix it. So hope you understand how to fix this issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.